Why does this keep happening to you? People come. They talk. They laugh. Then they leave. You think the problem is in them. But the real reason is something else. Something deeper. Something darker. Point 1. You never look at yourself. You only look at others. You notice how fun they are. You notice how many friends they have. But you never see your own face in the mirror. You don't see how you sound when you talk. You don't see you interrupt people. You don't see you only tell your own stories. Listen. Friendship is like a mirror. What you give is what you see. And you're giving nothing. Point 2. You send a text. They don't reply. Now your brain starts running. Did I say something wrong? Why are they ignoring me? Am I boring? Maybe they're just busy. But it's been 3 hours. You're staring at your phone screen. You've checked 20 times. You create an entire movie inside your head. A movie only you are watching. And the hero of that movie is a victim. People feel this energy. Your anxiety reaches them. And slowly, they walk away. You never even notice. Point 3. You go to school. You come back home. You scroll on your phone. Reels after reels. Repeat. You never text anyone first. You never call anyone. You never make plans. You wait for others. For them to come. For them to ask. For them to try. But think. Why don't you go? Because rejection is scary. Because it might be awkward. Because you don't know what to say. So you just sit there. And then you wonder, why do I have no friends? Bro. You are your own biggest enemy. Point 4. You post a photo. You count the likes. You check the views. You read the comments. 2 hours on one picture. Filters after filters. Edit. Delete. Post again. Why? Because you're begging strangers for validation. But real friendship doesn't live there. Real friendship lives in that text you never send. That call you keep avoiding. That how are you never ask. You're hiding your real self. Trying to look perfect. But perfection doesn't bring friends. Vulnerability does. And you're terrified of looking weak. Point 5. You think you're a good person. But your body language is screaming something else. You walk with insecurity. You avoid eye contact. You carry low energy. You wear tension on your face. People feel all of this. Their brain unconsciously detects it. This person is heavy. This person is draining. This is hard to handle. And they leave. Without saying a word. You never even realize. So you sit there thinking, why? When the answer is right there on your face. In your shoulders. In your eyes. But you don't want to see it. I'm not here to give you sympathy. I'm not here to give you fake motivation. I'm telling you the truth. Friendship doesn't happen by accident. It is built. And right now, you don't know how to build it. But you can learn. If you start looking at your own face in the mirror. Really looking. No filter. No excuses. Then maybe, people will start staying. If this hit different, you already know what to do. Hit that like button. Subscribe to Sticky Monk. Because every week, we drop content that the algorithm doesn't want you to find. See you in the next one.
Join the journey. Subscribe and let's grow together.